I looked into Lucky 4's watches, and honestly, the brand shows a lot of red flags that you typically see with low-quality online watch stores. The website looks stylish and modern, with big discounts and luxury product photos. But once you dig in, things start to feel questionable. First, the pricing is suspicious. They claim the watches are worth hundreds of dollars, but sell them at massive discounts, sometimes 70 to 80% off. That's a common tactic used by drop-shipping stores selling generic watches from overseas suppliers. The product photos also look like standard manufacturer images rather than original shots from the brand. When I checked for real customer reviews, there wasn't much to trust. No meaningful presence on Trustpilot, no verified YouTube reviews, and very few real user photos. The small number of reviews on the website seem vague or generic, which is another warning sign. Shipping and refund policies are vague, and the return process seems complicated. Several comments online mention slow shipping or receiving watches that look cheaper than advertised. Overall, Lucky 4's doesn't appear to be an outright scam, but it definitely doesn't feel like a legitimate luxury watch brand either. If you're considering it, stick to low-cost purchases and use a payment method that protects you.